So now let's see how we can use widgets in a Figjam file. So over here, you can see that I got the 3-dot icon, which I can access the widgets from. So if I were to click on widgets, then you can see that I can set 4 different widgets of my choice. So here there is a Connect 4 game widget, as you can see. So I can click over here, and what happens is that it gets loaded up right here. So I can go around, pick a color to start right here, as you can see, just like this. Pick a color to start the game, as you can see. So you can go around and then simply go around right here, as you can see. Click right here, and this is an interactive widget which what you can do is you can collaborate with multiple people. While you're collaborating, you can play with this widget together. You can go around over here into widget, and over here you can see that there's dice as a widget as well. So you can go around right here, click to roll out dice over here as well. And these widgets are interactive, as you can see right here. So there's like a flip card right here. So you can go around, a flip card is being insert. You can go around and then edit this out, as you can see, edit it out with the text. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can go around, flip this out, as you can see, and these are all interactive. So that is how you can add in widgets inside of your Figjam file inside of Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.